Very. What do you make of this?
What do I make of this? Absolutely fantastic.
What is it we're here to see?
Well, if you don't know, I'm not sure, but I'm going to tell you. The Flying Scotsman.
What's important about the Flying Scotsman? Why is so many people interested in seeing this?
In fact, it was the fastest engine ever built, as far as I'm aware.
It was recently restored, wasn't it?
It certainly was. After 10 years, it's back on the rail again. It's been travelling about the country and causing havoc wherever it went because so many people want to see it. You can understand why. It's a fantastic engine. Fantastic. So the opportunity for it to come through here is absolutely brilliant.
Well, let's see if we
missed it for the world.
We'll see if we can see it here. It should be coming soon.
Wow. Well, that's quite spectacular when it's begins to move again. Moving. Well, it was different, wasn't it? We still don't know why it stopped at the platform on the up line.
Yeah, so that's
the mind boggles really. I mean, you start to see transport police going down here and you think, well, somebody's going to be escorted off the train for bad behaviour or something, or maybe somebody got on the line, one of the spectators got on the line, but no, we don't actually know at the moment, so we'll wait and see. But it was good to see it come through. Good to see it come through, yeah. I did want to see it whoosh through rather than go through very gently. Actually, when it was parked to the end of the platform there, I thought, well, it's going to pull away and we're going to see this big maybe but none of that. It moved very sedately along and gradually built up speed. But it was good to see it come through.
It was a good turnout too, wasn't it?
Excellent turnout. A lot of people there. A lot of people there. Here we are. Well done, Andrew. You wait for the next time.
Cheerio.
Thank you.
Was there an issue there with the train?
Yeah, stupid people walking on the tracks.
Oh no!
You couldn't have seen it quite for the steam, but there's people on the running tracks again.